We're parked on a forest road in the Chequamegon Nicolet National Forest, and we're going to be camping for one night by a lake. It's supposed to be like highs of 24, lows of below 14, low of 14. So hopefully we stay warm. We'll see what happens. There's not really a trail per se. We just found this lake on a map, so we're just gonna hike straight in and kind of bushwhack through. I brought my fishing pole. Clearly that's not going to be an option. It's a little bit frozen. Well, I think we found home for the night. This is kind of one of the more clear areas. We were going to try to stay by the lake, but it's pretty marshy. We're in the blaze orange because it is the Wisconsin gun deer season last weekend and this weekend, so there's a lot of hunting that goes on in this area, so we want to make sure that we don't end up as a statistic.
Dad.
As an added bonus, this campsite comes with a camp chair. It looks like it's not old at all. And it's frozen into the ground. Before we get to the top side of this tarp stake down, I want to show you what we have for hammock fillings. Just a normal mummy sleeping bag. It's like 20-degree bag. It's supposed to get down to like 14 or something, or I think. So we have a fleece liner to help that. Got the underquilt. This will be the coldest that we've taken our camping setup so far. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna try the Nalgene hot water in the Nalgene. Yeah. Hopefully it don't get too cold. Worst case scenario, we're not too far in, so we can, if it's like real bad at night, we can just hike out and go. So it's not like it's a dangerous situation. So that's good. So it's good to have high quality equipment. pretty well set up here, so I think we're gonna make an effort to get a fire started before the sun goes down, which is maybe an hour and a half. So we're gonna go get some firewood. I think Michelle's been doing it for a little while already. The condensation in my mustache is like a little drink. Gotta stay hydrated. These lower branches are great on these pine trees. They're whatever they are, the conifers, because they're already dead. They snap right off. They're really dry. And they're like nice small fuel to get your fire started. Pretty great. All right, party people, we're hungry. It's time for dinner. We're making tacos, and we got tortillas. We got a big bag of meat. We got leaky pineapple. I'm not gonna put that on there. The pineapple's leaking. Ember. We've got big wad of cheese that I bought, shredded, and now is turning itself back into a block. And a lime. Oh, and barbecue sauce. 3 at a time. Yeah. Oh. Pork tacos. I cooked the pork with onions and garlic. Yeah. Well, it means it's just going to leak more. I thought that was a good... 1 taco, 2 taco, 3 taco. Let's see. Ah, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Mhm.
It's
It's
really
just crispy. It's
Uh-huh.
just crispy on the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really good.
I got a crunch to it.
Mhm.
Mhm. A little messy. That is so good.
Mhm.
It's time for a hot drink. I'm drinking apple cider.
That, no. No.
There we go. There's the apple cider.
Oh,
no! I killed it.
Yeah.
Walk-in school bus mug. Michelle got it for me from her job. I'm very thankful. Got some more water going here for the Nalgene. There's a lot of stuff sitting on the bottom.
I'm a piece of stick in mine.
Maybe it's ashes, but
A piece of bark.
oh, it's hot, but it's really good. First one into the Nalgene. I gotta do like 3 of these because this is the biggest container that we brought.
Oh, maybe 2. Look, it's like halfway.
Oh, maybe 2. Maybe 2. All right. Maybe 2. My Nalgene is a new shape now. Right here. It is either too close to the fire or the water in it was too hot. I'm not sure. But anyway, now it has a hand grip. It's very ergonomic. Pretty good day. Didn't do too much, but didn't need to. See you tomorrow. Morning. It's cold. The Nalgene bottle was amazing. Very, very good. I don't want to get up. It's really nice and bag. But it's time to get up. Well, we're not really going to wait around for anything here. We're going to get packed up and head out and go on home. It's fun. It was cold. And I think we learned a lot for our next one out. So thanks for coming with us. See you in the next one.